big story that we are tracking today is that order that's come in from the Supreme Court of India, which has put an interim stay on the nameplate circular that was issued first by the Uttar Pradesh government with regards to shops and eateries along the Kawad Marg. A similar rule was also put in place by the administration in parts of Uttarakhand, which is Dehradun and Haridwar. And also there were reports that even Madhya Pradesh was mulling a same kind of a rule. And right now, the Supreme Court, which was hearing the plea earlier today, went ahead and put an interim stay. The petitioners in the top court had alleged that this rule amounts to economically boycotting one community. Over the last few days, there was a lot of politics over the Kawad nameplate rule. And now with the Supreme Court putting an interim stay on the nameplate rule that was first issued by the Yogi Adityanath administration, the opposition is claiming vindication. Our legal editor, Harish, is joining us live. Harish, first take our viewers through everything that happened in court. What did the petitioners say and what was the other side's response?
Yes, in fact, 3 petitions had come to Supreme Court challenging the controversial rule issued by the Uttar Pradesh police and the Uttarakhand police, wherein the owners of all the eateries, restaurants, hotels, and including thelas, dhabas, had to post the name of the owners and also the staff. They said that this order amounts to nothing but economic boycott, economic isolation, and also isolation on the basis of a particular religious identity, and that cannot be countenanced. They also, but at this juncture, Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Hrishikesh Roy asked whether is it not just voluntary or is it mandatory. At this juncture, Abhishek Mani Singhvi, who had appeared for Mahua Moitra, the TMC MP, who was one of the petitioners, said that coercive action is being taken. It's being strictly enforced, and in many outlets, the owners are sacking the employees who are refusing to agreeing to put their names on the list. This juncture, Supreme Court found prima facie merit in their argument that this is nothing but this economic boycott of the minority community. And what is surprising, Sagarika, is that thrice the Uttar Pradesh government and Uttarakhand government were asked whether their council was present because some order had to be issued, but surprisingly no council appeared. Because basically on the first date of hearing, it's rarely such an ex parte order is passed. But today, in a big setback to Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand government, the Supreme Court has ordered an interim stay as far as this controversial order is concerned. Back to you.
What you've mentioned, Harish, is very important when you also went on to say that there were questions asked in the court it was asked where are the councils of the state governments, and 3 times they were called and they did not in fact present themselves. And now the next hearing in the case is on the 26th of this month. Harish, do stay with us. Let's also take our viewers through the kind of reactions that are coming in from leaders of the opposition. One after the other, be it Akhilesh Yadav or Asaduddin Owaisi or even leaders of the Congress party. All of them, after this interim stay that has been put by the Supreme Court of India on the Kawad nameplate rule, all of them are claiming vindication. Listen into those reactions.
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फ्राइडे तक रोक लगाई है और वो स्टेट्स को भी कहा है कि हम शुरू से कह रहे थे ये वो जिस तरफ से जो डायरेक्टिव इशू हुआ थे अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, ये आर्टिकल 70 का वायलेशन है, यानी अनटचेबिलिटी प्रमोट करता है, डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी है सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए, वो आर्टिकल 15 का वायलेशन है।
ये विभाजनकारी है, समाज संविधान की मंशा के खिलाफ है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के खिलाफ है। ये समाज में विभाजन पैदा करेगा, सिर्फ धर्म के आधार पर नहीं, जात के आधार पर। मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस निर्णय का, अंतरिम आदेश का स्वागत।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रोक लगा दी है, अंतरिम रोक है। जो ऑर्डर था मुजफ्फरनगर या आसपास के इलाकों में, उस पर नाम प्रदर्शित करना होगा।
अब आप ये बताइए कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो विपक्ष नहीं, तो अगर आप कुछ गलत करोगे तो फिर उस पर आवाज उठेगी। और अक्सर ऐसा देखा गया कि जब भी किसी गलत पे आवाज उठी तो बीजेपी ने उसको एंटी नेशन और तमाम तरह की चीजें और धर्म के विरुद्ध पता नहीं क्या कहना है। तो क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑनरेबल जजेस क्या वो धर्म के विरुद्ध में? तो ये जो उत्तर प्रदेश में करने का प्रयास, प्रयोग करने का प्रयास और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने का, उसको और आगे बढ़ाने का उत्तराखंड सरकार ने किया था, तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक जोरदार तमाचा मारा है। इस तरह का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हम लोग भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे और देश की जनता बर्दाश्त करने को तैयार नहीं।
I'm exceedingly happy. We had filed a petition yesterday. We filed it yesterday. It came up today in the Supreme Court, and it is a completely unconstitutional order against the fundamental principles of our Constitution, against Article 15, 19, and what we have just got a stay on it. So it is a complete stay on all directives, and it is also there is no requirement to display the identities and the names of owners or employees. There is to be absolutely no requirement, complete stay on ownership, on names of staff, names of owners. I'm very thankful to my party and to my leader Mamata Banerjee, who has always stood out against anything unconstitutional, or thankful to the Supreme Court for standing by us.
Adeeb and Tejshri are joining us live. Adeeb is live from Lucknow and Tejshri is in Muzaffarnagar. I'd like to go across to Tejshri first. Tejshri, after this interim stay on the nameplate rule that was supposed to be enforced on all eateries along the Kawad Yatra Marg, what is the kind of sentiment on the ground? If you could talk to people around you or also get us a sense of what you've been seeing and hearing.
Well, there is a very mixed kind of sentiments. However, the Kawad Yatris believe that the order that was given out by the Uttarakhand, UP and MP government as well, that should have been continued rather than Supreme Court asking it for interim stay. We have few Kawad Yatris who have come from the national capital. We'll speak to them. आप किस तरफ जा रहे हैं और कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम दिल्ली से आए हैं, अभी हरिद्वार से जल उठा के दिल्ली जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा, अभी इस वक्त मुजफ्फरनगर के ढाबों पर आप रुके हुए हैं। कुछ नाम आप देख सकते हैं कि इन ढाबों पर लगाए गए हैं, जो ओनर है उनके नाम लगाए गए हैं। ये क्या लग रहा था आपको कि जो ऑर्डर था ये सही था, इस तरह से रहने देना चाहिए था नाम?
नहीं,
नाम होने चाहिए थे, ओनर के नाम डिस्प्ले होने चाहिए थे कि वो किसको बिलोंग करती है ये दुकान।
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है, मगर ये कि अपने नाम से ही दुकान खोलनी चाहिए किसी को भी।
ऐसा क्यों लगता है?
नहीं, बस ऐसे ही।
अच्छा, अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है कि नाम आपको दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपका क्या कहना है? बताओ, कावड़ यात्री आपको क्या लगता है?
नहीं, नाम दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, भी कोई नाम देख के थोड़ी ना आता है।
अच्छा, आपका कहना है आप नाम देख के नहीं जाते?
हाँ जी, नाम।
अच्छा, आप भी कावड़ यात्री, आपको क्या लगता है नाम होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए?
नहीं होना चाहिए वैसे तो।
क्यों?
मतलब ऐसे नाम अलग अलग डाल रखे हैं, बस यही है।
मेरा कहना ये है कि ऐसे तो बहुत सारी जगहों पे खुले हुए हैं, मतलब ढाबे वगैरह, तो मतलब यहाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
अच्छा, आपको कहना नाम नहीं होने चाहिए?
नहीं, मतलब यहाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अगर ढाबे हैं भी तो अपने नाम से भी, तो मतलब ऐसे तो बहुत जगह है।
ठीक है, so you see there are very mixed kind of reactions coming in from the people, but also let me take you across the shopkeeper owners, and in fact here this is the Shamim Saifi tea stall, and in fact you can see that he has displayed the name of the owner, the co-owner, the people who are working here, Shamim, Nikhil, Rakesh, Deepak, Chetan are the people who are working over here along with the co-owner, and Shamim is also here to speak to us. Shamim ji, अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये अभी इंटरिम ऑर्डर दिया है और कहा है कि जो नाम आपने डिस्प्ले किए इसे लगाने की अब आवश्यकता नहीं है, कैसे देखते हैं इसे आप?
जब बन गया तो लगा रहेगा, जैसे उनके ऑर्डर आ गए, कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो दुखी थे इस बात को लेकर वे हटा लेंगे।
आप हटाने वाले हैं या फिर इसे रहने देंगे?
हम तो रहने देंगे ऐसे ही।
आप रहने देंगे, क्या कारण है?
कोई कारण नहीं है, बस कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। जैसे जब तक कावड़ चल रही है, जिसके लिए उन्होंने लगाए थे, कुछ न कुछ सोच के लगाए होंगे और आदेश दिया होगा उन्होंने, जब आदेश दिया है तो उसका पालन करें।
ठीक है, so these people are saying that they will continue to display the name of the owners, and in fact we also have few more shopkeeper owners who are saying that they will be removing the names displayed on their shops with immediate effect. We'll also speak to few of them who are willing to remove the names, and in fact these are the shop owners who believe that they will be removing the names as soon as possible, and they are happy with the decision that has been taken by the court.
So Tejshri, you continue talking to the shopkeepers on the the ground? Because earlier there were, like you said, there has been a slew of mixed reactions. You just spoke to one shop owner who said he'll continue keeping the name that, as it exists. Let's go across to Adib, who's joining us from Lucknow, and he's tracking all the political reactions. Yesterday, one of the most scathing responses came in from NDA ally Jayant Chaudhary. The RLD went on to say that, one, they opposed the move, and Jayant Chaudhary said not only was this not well thought out, but does this mean that people should start writing their names on their kurtas? Today, what are the kind of responses coming in from the allies of the NDA after this interim stay on this particular rule by the Supreme Court?
Well, Sagarika, Jayant Chaudhary was very clear. He was saying that first, the government has not thought about this decision, and secondly, he was saying that government must reconsider the kind of order that UP government has passed. And he also went on to say that what will be the further step that they will be asking the people to write their names on kurtas before shaking hands. So this was the strong remarks that came from the NDA ally Jayant Chaudhary. However, the BJP is of the view that Jayant is not part of the BJP, but he's part of the NDA, and whatever comment he's making as the NDA ally. But now, when the Supreme Court has put the interim stay on the order of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, the Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, has put out on his social media account, and he went on to say that there should be a new nameplate on which it should be written that harmony prevails. So this is how Samajwadi Party is reacting to the order of the Supreme Court that has come and putting out the interim stay on the order of Uttar Pradesh government. Remember, it was not just Tejasvi, it was not just Jayant Chaudhary, but several of the allies of NDA were criticizing the move of BJP government, and not just the allies, but it was being criticized by the entire opposition. Sagarika.
Right. Thank you, Adi, for getting us that update. But let's now show our viewers about what was the reality on the ground. Were Kawad Yatris happy with the rule that was initially enforced? What was the reaction before the Supreme Court came in and put an interim stay on this rule that was initially first put out by the Uttar Pradesh government? Let's play out that report.
जी, इससे हमको बहुत ज़्यादा सहूलियत मिलेगी. हम 100% सेफ्टी अपने महसूस करेंगे, और जितने भी कावड़िया वो अपने आप में सब सहमत रहेंगे, खुश रहेंगे, और अपने आप पर मतलब सेफ रहेंगे.
जी, अच्छी बात है. ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए कि दुकान के मालिक का भी नाम होना चाहिए, और वहाँ पे कर्मचारी जिस दुकान से हैं वो उस दुकान के ही होने चाहिए, उस धर्म से ही होने चाहिए.
आपने हाल ही में दुकान के बाहर एक बोर्ड लगाया है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
तो वो अभी लगाया है?
नहीं है तो पहले से. ये तो फिलहाल जो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने करा था ऑर्डर, उसकी वजह से ही लगाया बोर्ड.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
इस बोर्ड को लगाने से कोई दिक्कत
नहीं? कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
अच्छा. दूसरी चीज ये है कि कावड़ियों का कहना है कि आपकी जो दुकानें हैं, आप मुसलमान भाई हैं, वो कई मुसलमान भाई जो हैं वो गलत तरीके से उनको
नहीं.
तो ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
गुफरान, आपको पता होगा यूपी में कहा गया है कि भाई आपको नाम बताना पड़ेगा, आपके अंदर कौन कौन कर्मचारी करते हैं काम, ये बताना पड़ेगा.
जी जी, पता है सर.
मालूम है?
यस यस.
आप लोगों ने कुछ बनाया है?
जी जी, बनाया है.
क्या बनाया है?
ये रहा सर. ये जो ढाबे मालिक हैं उनका सर ये सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह है, जो नाम वगैरह बोला था कांवड़िया की वजह से सर ये है.
So this interim stay on the nameplate rule coming in from the Supreme Court has triggered a big political face-off over, the Kawad Yatra row. Thank you, Adib and Tejasvi, for joining us. It's